Hello friends, welcome again. Today we are going to draw a mobile phone. Somebody ready to draw a mobile phone?
I never said a mobile phone
Yeah,
before.
mobile phone? Oh, this is not a phone, is a mobile phone. Mommy's phone is a mobile phone. That's mobile phone I used to make calls. Well, are you excited to draw today?
Yes.
Alright, so draw a straight line here, like this, at the top. Okay, and curve this place like this. Just curve it a little bit, just small, and curve this other side. Good. And then from this point you draw it down, straight down.
This is like a rectangle.
Yeah, side to be a rectangle, side to be a phone. This one down also. And then you curve this edge a little bit, curve this edge a little bit. Once you curve it, then you join them together. Awesome. So from here also, let's draw another line like this.
How many lines are we doing?
Just one line. Then from here, draw another line to come off like this.
2 lines.
Okay, then we join this line together to this one.
This one.
Yes, and from here also we join to this other one. Awesome. And then from here, let's draw a big circle at this point. Make a big circle here.
But
Yeah.
it has to be on the sides.
Awesome. No, at the middle, that's why you draw it. Then here, just make a small line here like this.
Just one.
Yeah, is the speaker or the yeah.
Do we speak like hello?
That's why you hear, through which you can hear the other person. So here, let's draw a phone. Just draw a curve like this. Draw a curve down like this.
Just one.
Just one. And here, make another curve, but this one upward. Draw a curve upward. Up.
It's looking like it's
Okay, so make this curve. Is a phone sign. Make this curve like this. And here, the same way, we'll make these two signs like this. Okay, that's fine.
Let's do the hop by hop.
Then circle it, circle them, and circle this one as well. Okay, awesome. So this is our phone. Let's draw a happy face here.
After we draw a happy face, are we gonna color it?
Yes, we're going to color it a happy face, like a human being. Yeah, just put it, okay. Then put a big eyes
Just the tiny eyes for me.
and a mouth, happy mouth. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so yeah, so we have to give this area a red color. This is when you want to reject the phone. Okay, when someone is calling you and you want to reject,
I wanna put the
don't color this sign inside, color only outside of it. Yeah,
What are we gonna color that? Nothing?
nothing, it's going to be white.
Look, you have to color it.
No, I don't have to color it.
Not everything has to be colored for it to look better.
Okay, then we give this other one the the green color.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
this
not inside.
Get this green, don't color the inside, just color only here as well.
All of both of them.
Yes, just color only the outside of it.
Look, I'm not
Okay, awesome. Then let's give the happy face a yellow color.
Yeah.
Yellow color.
Let's get the yellow color, then it's not bad. Big.
Yellow color. Then we need to do the eyes very well. Let the eye be very fine. Right now the eye is looking like that of a vampire or a zombie. So let's put our black
I'm gonna color the whole eyes.
No, don't color the whole eye. Just make a round circle for the eye. Then you color the rest. Yeah, like that. So that's the color. Someone that is coloring on the phone.
That we're going to color nothing else?
We're going to color the rest. Let's color this side.
Red.
No, not red, but orange. Let's color this side orange.
Huh? You just color the tiny bit.
No, I'm going to color everything.
Your orange was weak. That's why you changed it.
Yeah, I changed it to another one. So just keep going.
I don't want to smile on this boy too, because I will have to take daddy's on.
It's okay.
Are we gonna color here too?
Yeah, just color down. No, don't color the round circle. Leave the round circle. Just color the rest around it.
I'm ready. Oh, here. The top.
Yeah, the top. So color the top.
I forget the top. I know it's forgetting.
So, what are you thinking? Don't forget, please.
Done.
You done? Awesome.
Yes, the coloring.
I'm almost done as well.
Can I color here?
Yeah, so we.
I'm gonna color it.
This is pink. This is purple.
What?
This is purple to color the inside purple.
I'm gonna straighten it. I'm gonna line it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna make sure I line it.
Yes. So you can color it well.
Yes.
Awesome. This is a fine mobile phone. Can you still make calls?
You will never make calls.
Yes, you can make a call or use it to watch.
But I can't call on my iPad.
Yeah, iPad, yeah, you can make a call from your iPad.
How will I do that? I don't have any call press button.
There is, but
iPad.
for now you don't make any call.
Yeah, but
So you just watch.
iPad.
Just watch it, yeah. That's all.
Uh,
Awesome.
when I grow up, I can have phone.
Yes, you'll have fun once you grow
But
up.
you will watch iPad.
You can also be watching iPad. Daddy has his computer. Daddy still has phone. So you can have your iPad and still have your phone.
Yeah, and I will have to be washing clothes.
So,
I want to drive a car today.
a car?
Yes, I want to learn how to drive a car today.
Oh, to learn how to drive a car, you have to become an adult before you can drive a car. At least normal car, unless if you are talking of baby car.
Baby car.
Yeah,
Can you
baby.
I want to buy a baby car for me.
Are you done coloring?
Daddy, can we buy 2 cars for us to ride inside together? One a car and baby and the front car for baby to sit on a seatbelt.
Okay, that's okay.
And baby and me can drive.
Yes, we're going to do that. Are you done coloring?
Yes.
Awesome. Wow.
That's
I'm
not
still seeing white spaces here.
what I want to color.
Awesome. This is a mobile phone. Come on. You're doing so fine.
Okay.
So let's give here a black color. Give it black color.
But I'm just looking.
This is so fine.
No.
High five. Yeah, some have been able to draw a mobile phone. So with Daddy. Friends, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed our video today, and I hope you also drew along with us. Summer, what do you say to your friends at home?
Subscribe to the channel if you did not, and see you next time. Bye bye.
And see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.